Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Roblox error code 268 kicked due to unexpected client behavior. So while playing the Roblox game and you encounter the error code 268 kicked due to unexpected client behavior, then simply quit the Roblox application. And then you need to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. Try restarting your Windows first because once you restart your Windows, this will refresh all the system processes of your Windows. And if restarting your Windows worked for you, then good. But if not, then you need to move to the next methods. Next method is we need to temporarily disable the antivirus. So if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like Malwarebytes, Avast, or McAfee, then we need to temporarily disable that. So click on the show hidden icons on the taskbar. If you are using any of those, then you can simply quit it from here. Then you have to click on the Windows security icon. Click on virus and threat protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Then here you have the real-time protection. Just simply turn this off. So turn off the real-time protection and then launch the Roblox application. So simply close this. Now, once we have launched the Roblox application, then from here, just simply continue enjoying the game. And once it has helped you fix the issue, then you need to go back to the Windows security icon. And then we need to turn it on again. So simply click on turn on from here because this is a very important security of your Windows. Then for the next method, we can also run some commands in the command prompt. So in the Windows search bar right here, type cmd. On the right pane, click on Run as Administrator. Then here, just follow me for the commands. This will also be posted in the description section of this video. IP config space / flush DNS, hit enter. And tsh space winsock space reset, hit enter. IP config space / release, hit enter. And IP config space / renew, hit enter. And let's wait for this. Now once done, type exit, hit enter. And then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then restart your Windows. And after that, launch the Roblox application. Then we also need to clear the browser, cookies, and cache. So we need to open a browser for this. Okay, so let's search in the Windows search bar, Chrome. Click on it. Now maximize this. Then we need to locate the three dots. We can find that in the top right corner. So simply click on it. And then scroll down. And you'll find Settings. Then you have here the Privacy and Security. So we have to click on Privacy and Security, the one with the shield symbol. And then simply scroll down and you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on it. So here you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data, but then you have to choose the advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history checked, download history checked, cookies and other site data checked, cached images and files checked. Site settings, hosted app data checked, but do not check passwords and other sign-in data and also the autofill form data because this will just clear saved passwords in the Chrome browser. And finally, click delete data. Then scroll down and click on reset settings, restore settings to the original defaults. So the good thing about this is that it will fix the issue and this will not affect the bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. So simply click on reset settings. Now once done, close this. Then if the issue keeps persisting, then we can reinstall the app. So simply type in the Windows search bar app wiz.cpl. best match, click on it. Then here, simply search for Roblox. Then click on it, select uninstall. And now it has been uninstalled. So we need to bring up and open any of our favorite browser. So I'm going to go with the Edge browser. It's just the same process for all the browsers. Just type here, Roblox download, hit enter. Then you'll find here from the official website of Roblox, www.roblox.com. You have to click on download Roblox. Click on download for Windows app and the installer file will be downloaded. Now simply double click and then close the Edge browser, and this will now reinstall Roblox into our window. So let's just wait for this. And from here, we can just simply continue enjoying the game once it has been reinstalled into our Windows. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching, everyone.